You search for how to buy shares of Envoy Medical Inc. Envoy Medical Inc. is a medical device company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker COCH. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, which usually requires a valid ID, and then add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker COCH to find Envoy Medical Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct Envoy Medical Inc. listing. Check the exchange ticker and the company summary before proceeding. To invest, click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may become a pending instruction and will execute when the market reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in the portfolio once the order fills. Check the description for the example link if you want to follow the same steps shown.